We have made it to our first stop, Tokyo Tower. So this is the blue line, blue and green. They come here to the Tokyo Tower. The red line does not. How cool is that? Great photo opportunity. So can't wait to get up on the top. When you come in, you can get tickets for the glass walk area, mezzanine 1 or M1, and then M2. So I'm going to do all three, but you have to go down to F1. So when you come in, you're going to have to find the escalators and go down to the basement level to F1, and you'll be able to get your tickets there. If you hate crowds, do not come here. They put everybody plus 2 people in the elevator. So you're going to be cramped in there. So if you like your space and you get claustrophobic, don't come. Let's go check out these views. They're phenomenal. Soaring above the city with its striking red and white frame, Tokyo Tower is one of Japan's most recognized landmarks. Since its completion in 1958, it has stood as a proud emblem of post-war recovery, innovation, and cultural identity. For over 5 decades, it was the tallest structure in Japan, an engineering feat representing the country's ambition to reconnect with the world. Originally built to support television broadcasting, the tower played a key role in bringing together Japan's growing media networks. This has been the view from M2. What'll happen is you're going to get your tickets cut, and then there's going to be another pass that you take to get in line to go up to the next level, to the top deck tour. So once you go into the first room, you can't take any photo or video. They have like a little display of the tower. When you come up, you're greeted with somebody that wants to take a photo, and they give you a free photo, and you can pay for a different photo, and then they greet you with juice. Pretty cool. Or wine. Tokyo Tower was constructed in the aftermath of World War II as a symbol of Japan's rebirth and rapid modernization. Inspired by the Eiffel Tower, this steel giant rises to 333 meters, making it 3 meters taller than its Parisian counterpart. Weekday mornings or late evenings are best for avoiding crowds and catching the most dramatic views. Tokyo Tower represents far more than steel and lights. It's a symbol of Japan's resilience, ingenuity, and pride. Despite taller towers now dotting Tokyo's skyline, few places match the nostalgic charm and cultural significance of this iconic structure. So the employee was saying that these curtains can get removed so you can look straight down. That's the glass walk, but for some reason they're closed today. When you get to M1, they have several places along the floor that are opened up all the way down. It's a great photo opportunity.
Tokyo Tower isn't just an observatory, it's a full visitor experience. At its base is Foot Town, a multi-story complex featuring restaurants and cafes, gift shops, event spaces, and past attractions like the One Piece Tower once brought anime fans from around the world.
On your way down, it wouldn't be a tourist trap if they didn't have a gift shop that the elevator conveniently came to. Well, that completes our time at the Tokyo Tower. I hope that if you come here, you enjoy your time. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it.